Earlier this week, Anthropic launched Claude Design. The pitch, one polished prototype per prompt. I'm a designer and engineer. I wanted to see what happens when you hand the same brief to 20 agents in parallel and let them argue. So I built this. One prompt, parallel subagents, each writes a real HTML page. And they never see each other's work. So the variance isn't noise, it's range. Then you branch, you kill what misses, you keep what's strange, and you ask for more variance for the ones that you love. The graph preserves every dead end as context for the good ideas. I've been running this myself. Some of what comes back is clean, some is strange, and some are things I didn't even know I wanted. Design Graph is fully open source, it stores everything on disk, and it works with any coding agent. This isn't a Claude Design replacement, it's a canvas designed to sit next to it and before it. Link in the description below.